Hello, did you get this while signing in your YouTube channel? That means your YouTube channel has been removed or terminated. So in today's video, I will show you ways how you can appeal and contact YouTube through different platforms. You will get an email from YouTube stating the reason why they have removed your channel. Scroll down to view steps that you can take if you want to appeal. Here you can review YouTube's community guidelines and click on Appeal here to appeal this decision. But before clicking on Appeal here, copy your channel's URL. Now click on Appeal here. Enter the required information. Enter your full name, email address, and URL of your suspended YouTube channel. In the last, briefly explain that why your channel was suspended in error. Click on Submit. After submitting the appeal, you will immediately receive an email from Google Accounts team. After this, we will try to access YouTube from other social media platforms. Go to twitter.com. Tag Team YouTube by typing @Team YouTube and type your message. You may write, Dear YouTube team, my YouTube channel has been removed. I didn't violate any community guidelines. You can even add that you are an experienced user. Mention the number of subscribers you had on your channel. Don't forget to paste your channel's URL here. After typing the message, click on Tweet. Now let's go to Instagram.com. We will try to send message to YouTube or comment on their post to get their attention. Type YouTube in the search bar. Click on Message. Now type the same message here. Don't forget to paste your channel's URL. After typing the message, click on Send. You will instantly receive an email from YouTube team. So these are the ways how you can recover your YouTube channel. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.